Let me show you how to perform first setup on Realme GT8 Pro. So first of all, you will need to power on your device. You can do it by clicking on this button and then holding it for a few seconds. Now, in case your phone doesn't power on, you may need to charge it, so plug in a cable to here and then connect the cable to the charging brick and then charging brick to your power source. After that, wait a while until your device is charged, and then we'll be able to continue the setup right after our device is powered on. Here, first thing you will see is hello or hi or anything in your language. It will just change randomly, and now we can proceed to the next step and finally choose the language that we want to use throughout that setup. You can go for accessibility or emergency call as well. For this setup, I will go for English and then continue. Now we can pick the region, so choose whichever region you're in. In this case, I'm just gonna pick something random and then continue. Here's legal information. You can read through it if you like. Click on view details for each of them, and when you're ready, click on next to continue. After that, you'll be able to set up your phone, this one, using your previous device. So if you have a fairly recent Android device or iPhone, you can transfer your iPhone or Android device to this one, although I'm gonna skip it right now. Then we can choose the Wi-Fi network to connect with our phone. In this case, it's optional. You don't need to do it, but we'll see later. So let's try to skip that. If you want, you can connect yourself with the internet. There's nothing wrong with it. Then there's the unlock method. You can pick to lock your device already, so you can choose password, fingerprint, or face unlock. I'm gonna skip it as well. Then there's the Google services that you can accept or disagree. Just read through them if you like and then click on accept. Now we have recommended services. You should also read through them. I'm going to disable carousel for wallpapers and leave everything on. Click on agree. Then choose the navigation method for your phone. You can go for buttons or gestures. And now after that, finally, we'll be ready. Our device is set up. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching. And if you like this video, please consider subscribing.